ginger chicken tomato casserole or ginger chicken tomato bowl or ginger chicken tomato stew. One of the tastiest of the ginger root recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the boiled chicken recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken curry recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chicken recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes. Today we are going to make ginger chicken tomato casserole. We have taken around 250 to 300 grams of chicken, cleaned thoroughly with turmeric water, around 30 to 40 shallots, 2 to 3 sprigs of mint leaves, 2 to 3 sprigs of coriander leaves, 15 grams of garlic, 1 green chili, 1 spoon of cumin seeds, 15 grams of ginger, 2 to 3 tomatoes cut into pieces, and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the cumin seeds, put in the garlic, put in the shallots, saute, saute and mix that in. Thoroughly saute mix. Put in the coriander leaves and the mint leaves, salt, keep on sauteing. Put in the ginger, keep on sauteing. Thoroughly saute mix. put in a spoon of chili powder, put in the tomato pieces, carry the salt, tomato pieces together, the rest of the mixture, pour in 50 ml of water, keep on sauteing till the water evaporates. Juice of half of lemon, sauteing it, put in the chicken pieces, thoroughly mix, and let it cook in the mixture for 4 to 5 minutes until the water comes out of the chicken. Thoroughly mix. Salt to taste, mix thoroughly. Pour in 200 to 300 ml of water, mix, and close and cook for 30 to 40 minutes. Close and cook for 30 to 40 minutes. Required time, open, put in the green chili, mix, put in the some fresh mint leaves and coriander leaves as topping, and mix. Now let the mixture cook for a minute. Ginger chicken tomato casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Ginger chicken tomato casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the ginger root recipes and one of the most different of the boiled chicken recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the casserole recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the notification button.